Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I have a project I wanted to share with you all. I needed to do a loaded stocking. It was supposed to be a mini, but I don't have a mini stocking. So I'm going to put you guys on time lapse, and I'll just share with you how I work through modifying this stocking to go from red traditional to pink, because we've been dealing with Santa Baby this whole time. So we're going to try and make this a little Santa Baby-ish. So I'm going to put you on time lapse and enjoy the video. Okay, I made a mess all over my desk, but I finished the stocking. Well, as finished as I want to be, because I have to get this out. It's got to get in the mail like soon, but I hope my swap partner likes it. I was going to put this little ornament on here, but it's going to compete with my tree, snowflake, whatever this is down here. But as you saw, I took the satin ribbon and just covered the red plaid and pretty much covered the whole thing up. And then I used some of these little rosette on a roll, the ribbon. I got this from Walmart. Offray or whatever that is. I also used some of the pearls to put onto the top. And then the flowers here, the spray of flowers, I had from a D-Stash. This is the tree that I was working on with the Glitterific from Walmart also. It came out pretty. I like the way it turned out. I got the peppermints from Hobby Lobby, and the bling also are from Walmart. So this was originally a red plaid, as you guys saw. It was this red here, and I just pulled out some pink fabric from my stash and used it to make somewhat of a snowflake on the bottom to replace that. Now I didn't want just one because it was just really simple, so I went with the 2 layers, the darker on the bottom and then the light one on top. I just layered it on top of each other, but I just set it off, a little off, instead of lining it up. And I love that Glitterific. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I also added some jingle bells from Hobby Lobby This is from the miniature Christmas section. Nope, it's not. It's the Christmas crafts, just the mini jingle bells. So I used some of that, and I wanted to make sure that it could ring. So I made sure I stuck it on the tip instead of just the back of the bell, because sometimes it'll freeze that little ball that's inside, and it won't jingle. I also added these pink little bows that I hauled again from Walmart. So I had some of those, and I just added right above the jingle bell. You can see there. See that? Okay. And then what else did I do? Oh, there's these little sprays that I got from a D-Stash also. I don't know where this came from. Obviously it's a D-Stash. So 3 of those, and I just put it in underneath the flowers, so you don't really see it, but it is there. Pretty much that's it, guys. It took a while to figure out how and what I wanted to do, but I think it came out pretty. Not 100% positive that my partner will like this, but I hope she does. This is just, a way to load all the goodies that we're supposed to include into the swap. So I believe I'm gonna put in some like stickers and some of the stuff that I hauled from Dollar Tree and Walmart. So okay, I will see you all on the next video, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, and hit the bell for notification so you'll know when I load the next video. Thanks for joining me, guys. See you guys. Bye.